What's going on, my brother? Oh, I haven't caught nothing. I'm out here now. It kind of rained yesterday, last night, this morning, and you can see the water's up so high. Look at the bridge. Look at this. Now I normally be in this area. My poles, my way right here. See back there with the water going under the bridge coming around the back side of me. And they said the tide coming up about another hour at 3. So when the high tide come, I'll be out of here. I'll be out of the way for high tide here. Best to be safe than sorry, you know what I mean, bro?